Two products to track your nutrition at home. Let's begin. We all know balanced nutrition is as important as exercising. I personally wanted to calculate what I intake, but because of two main reasons, I failed. One, laziness, and two, not having the correct equipment to measure. So, in this video, I will review two products. The first product is very intuitive, and the second product not just measures but also keeps a record of your intakes. Of course, there's this almighty Google, but we know how accurate that is. So, the first product I have for you is this digital scooper. This is a standalone product, meaning you don't require an external device or a mobile application to run this. Although it might seem very simple product, but it has a couple of really good features. One, a big bowl to scoop the things and the total length of about 24 centimeters. Two, sturdy handle with a really strong grip. Three, easy to view digital interface. Four, a hypersensitive sensor that measures up to 500 grams, detecting the weight of even the tiniest ingredients you add. 5. 2 units of measurement, gram and ounces. And it also has traditional marking inside the bowl for your liquids. I like how intuitive and obvious the features are, but for those of you who want a product that does not need a mobile application, this, in my opinion, is the perfect product for you. You can find it on Amazon for $15.99. The link is in the description below, as always. And for those of you who like to keep track of things, especially what you eat, this is an alternative for you. But before that, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, this is the perfect time to do that. I review interesting products every week. Okay, back to the video. This is a weighing scale that can be connected to a free mobile application. It can help you prepare balanced meal accurately as per your needs. Here is why I think this product is best for you. Number one, it's portable and lightweight. Number two, the weight is accurate, and like the previous one, the tear button resets the scale back to zero. Number three, it has an auto turn off system. Number four, you can measure weight in grams, milliliters, ounces, and pounds as well. Number five, unlike the scooper, this one can detect up to 5 kgs. And that wasn't even the best part about this product. Once you connect this device with Bluetooth to the phone, it automatically starts syncing with the app in real time. Let me show you a way to use this product more effectively. Open the mobile application called Foodiet and register. Once the registration is done, fill up your personal details and it will tell you how much calories you need to have per meal and keep a track of it too. You can also customize the ingredient list based on the choice of food you desire. Click on Add Snacks. Then click on Customize and finally add New Food. Type in the details of the ingredient you want to add. For example, I will write avocado and fill up the rest of the data. Once done, press confirm and put your product on the scale. You should instantly be able to see the weight of your ingredient added into the app. There is only one tiny flaw that I noticed, which is having to type the initial detail of each ingredient manually. It would have been better if we had all possible ingredients already inbuilt. Anyway, the rest to me looks pretty intuitive and useful. If you are into calculating diet plan, this must be the perfect product for you. This product is available on foodieplanet.co for $59.99, but I found the same product cheaper for you on AliExpress, just $27. I pasted both the links in the description below, so please go have a look. I hope this video helped you get one step closer to your balanced diet plan. Let me know your questions and feedback in the comments section below. While you plan your next meal, check out the other products I reviewed. Thank you for staying till the end. Consider leaving a like on this video if you found it informative. I'm Anubhav. This is Rebreed. See you next week.